Previously on Mustang Nation.
So today I'm going to show you the sound that my Cobra is making, and then we're going to replace the OEM tensioner with an OEM motorcraft and cross our fingers, hope the issue goes away. You know, the noise is still there. Looks beautiful, runs great, makes noise. We got to figure this out today. What's up, everybody? I'm Adam. Welcome back to Mustang Nation. And as you can see behind me, we are here at Mustang Magic, Deer Park, New York, taking a look at the Cobra. And just gave it a quick look, and we're thinking that these pulleys have a little play in them, so might have to replace them. The belt seems to be okay. The car ran flawless all the way here with the air conditioning on. But, you know, got to take care of that squeal. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we decided that there is a little play in these idler pulleys. So we're going to change the bearings. We've got brand new bearings. We're going to remove the belt, remove the pulleys, swap the bearings over, and hopefully that'll take care of our sound. So Joe's going to come out, start wrenching. Okay, so changed the bearings in all three of them. Listen to that. Super quiet, love it. I might change these and replace these with some Medco tensioners if they ever become, or Medco idlers if they ever become available, because they're like a couple of months out. But Joe right there, that man rocks. Killed it. So I have to give a special shout out of thanks to Joe and the guys at Mustang Magic. They turned what could have been a real pain into a super easy afternoon by simply changing the bearings in those idler pulleys. I don't have access to a press, so I have no problem having somebody who's skilled with those parts doing the repair. Really awesome job. Car sounds great, no noise at all. I may still replace those with some Medco idler pulleys down the road when they do become available. But yeah, sorry if this video is a little short. It was an easy fix, which I like. I didn't want any drama from this repair. So car's awesome, drove it all the way home. It's hot as heck out. AC blowing ice cold. Nice cruise. I got to get it cleaned up and wash and wax maybe tomorrow. All right, so if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can get all the latest content here on the channel. And I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.